The story of Ravi, from middle class to the richest.
Meet Ravi, an ordinary man with extraordinary dreams. This is his story, the story of how he went from a middle class worker living paycheck to paycheck to becoming one of the richest men in the world.
Ravi is like so many of us. He's stuck in a job, unsatisfied, but unsure how to change his life. He dreams of breaking free from the 9 to 5 grind. Man, just be happy with what you have. You've got a stable job, don't mess it. But Ravi has other ideas. He knows there's something more out there. He dreams of financial independence, but with no plan and no money, he starts small, by learning. Late nights, endless research, Ravi begins to educate himself on investing, entrepreneurship, and how wealth is really built. Ravi decides to take a leap of faith. He quits his job, determined to start his own business. But success doesn't come easy. His first business idea? It fails. Then his second? It fails too. Friends and family begin to lose faith in him. But Ravi's resilience pushes him forward. You've already lost everything once. When will enough be enough? When we are no longer just getting by. When we can change our lives, our children's lives. Failure after failure, Ravi refuses to give up. This is the season of risks, of doubt, but also the season of learning what it takes to succeed. Season theme: The Breakthrough. After years of struggle, Ravi's persistence pays off. His business finally takes off. Success, at last. We did it. We are finally in the game. But with success comes new challenges. Managing a growing team, handling competitors, and making sure his newfound wealth doesn't slip away. Ravi quickly learns that making money is one thing. Keeping it and growing it, now that's the real challenge. Season 4. Ravi goes global. He's no longer the small business owner he once was. Now, he's entering the big leagues, real estate, stocks, international ventures. But with fame and fortune come enemies. They're calling you the new king of the market. How does that feel? I'm not here to be king. I'm here to build something that lasts. But as his empire grows, so does the pressure. Ravi faces corporate politics, media scrutiny, and the constant threat of competitors trying to bring him down. The legacy. Ravi has become one of the richest men in the world. But now, he faces the biggest question of all: what next?